The Cebu City Police Office has welcomed President Rodrigo Duterte's signing of RA number 11648, which amends the revised penal code, and RA 7610, or the Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation and Discrimination Act, and RA 7610, or the Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation and Discrimination Act. The law increased the age for determining statutory rape to 16 years old to provide more protection for young people against sexual exploitation and abuse. In Cebu City alone, the CCPO has recorded 363 rape cases in 2021 and 17 cases in the first 2 months of 2022. According to Police Lieutenant Colonel Attorney Maria Teresa Makatangay, these new amendments is very helpful in the protection of minors.
Ang punteriaan na is ang consent sa bata, so sa victim. So gi-expect nato nga at that age, maski moingon pa na siyang musugot siya by law, wa gyud na siya consent. So hence any advances, sexual advances or intercourse, matawag na siya diretso nga atong gitawag ron og statutory rape.
They also plan to conduct information drives within communities about the rights of girls and women, especially as we celebrate International Women's Day this Tuesday, March 8, 2022.
Who continually educates and gives lectures, seminars to the women and even men, no, sa ato ang mga komunidad.
The CCPO also held a celebration to commemorate this yearly event with the theme "We Make Change Work for Women." Their aim is to get rid of gender stereotypes and make opportunities equally available for men and women alike. They also invited YouTube star Maria Rica Cabarubias, a famous lady rider known for her screen name Jet Li, to be their honorary guest for the event, to serve as an inspiration to their women personnel.
We can please everyone man yun. Kasi kung saan na atong buhaton, na-adyo ikasulti ang mga tao. Pero, di na to ang ay hunang-nauna. Be yourself, be who you are. Buhat na lang kung gusto nimo, kung sa'yo makahappy nimo. And, of course, ayaw na rin ang Ginoo.
Jet Li admitted that she received a lot of discrimination when she started riding motorcycles at the age of 16, but this is not serve as a hindrance for her to pursue her passion.
Yeah, dili na mawala. Ilang na ko'y mga friends ako na or mga kaila or daghan mga tao nga mingon nga kanang babae man ka di man ani mo kaya ina na nga storya. Wala ko sila paminawa. Gibuhat lang nako akong gustong buhaton, gi-enjoy lang nako akong gibuhat.
Happy Women's Month! This has been Sheriza Uy from my TV Cebu.